friends, welcome to my channel Natural Beauty Secrets. Today I am going to show you how you can get soft hands permanently. This natural remedy will also make your hands wrinkle free. This tip is very easy as you can find all the ingredients at home. The ingredients are rice flour, 4 tablespoons, rose water, 1 tablespoon. This tip is very easy and you can do it anytime at your home. This tip is also very effective for people who are in the aging process, whose hands have already started getting wrinkles. At first, I am going to take warm water in a bowl. In that, I am going to put rice flour in the warm water and I am going to put rose water in the water. Now I am going to mix everything well. Next, soak your hands for 15 minutes in this water. You should do this tip before you sleep because this will make your hands very soft once you wake up in the morning. So now I am going to soak my hands for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, pat dry your hands with a towel or tissue paper, but do not wash it. Next, go to sleep like this. You will see this remedy will bring the elasticity in your hands and make your wrinkles go away slowly. Also, it will whiten your skin naturally. Use these tips for 3 days continuously before you sleep and you will see effective results soon. Friends, since all the tips in my channel are done with natural ingredients, so you will see the results slowly, but eventually and surely you will see the results. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment and share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel Natural Beauty Secrets to get more amazing beauty tips. Thank you. Bye bye.